right, here we go. 11.5 Good Farm. This is an 18-mile-an-hour class here, so they got to keep it under the 18 miles an hour. It's John Ditzel out of Cuba City. Ditzel Ridge is where his sponsor is 1466. Good job, Boulder at 302.63. 302.63 for John. Yep, 18 miles an hour. Already been established there, Mr. Terry. Just take a Valium. Sit back and relax. Oh, that wasn't good. That's not a sound you like to hear. Especially with all that smoke.
No, that's not old.
Alright, 298.28 for Steve Morrison, 298.28. John, our first man down the track.
Damn track is warming up back there.
Yeah, the Terminator says not today. 285.13. 285.13 for Josh. Right now that puts him in the number 3 spot. We got Lee Rook, 302 and change.
Never gave me a hat. Never, nothing. Damn here.
Nice pull for Lee, but unfortunately I got to disqualify him. Our speed limit is 18 miles an hour in this class. He was doing 18.6, so we got to DQ him. I apologize for that. Adam Moore, you'll be up next.
This Sunday, I'm telling you. I can't wait. I'm worried about it.
Was trying hard to knock it in at 303.54. There's your new leader right there, 303.54, Adam Moore.
Damn all that son of a bitch!
This is you just got knocked out of the number 1 spot there. We have ourselves a new winner in this class at 311.58. 311.58. For Chad.
I told him he shouldn't go right up on the center. See, that one just go right over.
All right, 291.71 for John, 291.71. What makes it so hard for these guys is they got to keep at that 18 miles an hour if we just...
Whoa, come on, big man, thanks.
and 10, but we have to unfortunately give him a speeding ticket there for Joe. Tyler Wetzel, you'll be up next out of Dyersville. Nice full too, but we gotta give him a speed ticket also. That was Tyler. 311 and 5/8, where you gotta get to. That'd have been a nice run there also, 310.72, but unfortunately, I gotta get another speed ticket out. Man, if I was a police officer, I'd be making all kinds of money here tonight, making all these 5/8, still the distance you gotta go. Trying to go hard, 3:09 and 20, 3:09 and 20 for Ben. So right now, that looks like .67 for Ron, 288.67. At 309.81, getting in there real close, not quite good enough. Trying to change the leaderboard, but well, Terminator got him down there at 305.87, 305.87 for Miles Bailey. All right, 308.80, 308.80 for Dan. Come on, Bobby. 311, 5/8, we gotta get to at 18 miles an hour. And your Terminator sled says, not today, not today. 286.60, 286.60 for Bobby. Ryan Maxford, you'll be up 16.
Oh, do something different.
Yeah, pretty good job for stuffing it, coming back to life there. 303.69, 303. .69 for Wyatt. Good job there. Looks like we could help ourselves a new leader. 313.40 for Jacob Jansen. Yeah, I gotta go on after another speed ticket here. Gotta give another speed ticket out here. 307.08 would have been a good ride, but we gotta. Yeah, Terminator says not today, Eric, not today. 284.52, 284.52. JDB man will be up next. Some of those guys had some really, really good runs, but they were just about a half mile an hour over speed. Oh, David, turn that 644 on. 313, and here he comes. 300, well, he gets to 289, and he just died on him. Oh, the bank will probably don't want to repossess this with me.